All right, let's take a look at a mini hub station. So we're going to take a look at it, and this is perfect if those that are going to be working from remotely or you're going to be traveling. This is a perfect way to take with you on the road. Instead of taking a big old bulky docking station, you take something like this. It's a Type C, of course. You're going to need a Type C computer. Now, first of all, you got an HDMI and a Super VGA. And of course, they give you the audio connection in case you need the audio connect to connect any kind of audio auxiliary cable. Now, on the other side, you get 3.0, 3.0, the SD card and a micro SD card, right? In the side. Now, they do give you another Type C in case you take the existing one or the last one that you had, and then a RJ45 connection, Ethernet connection. That's pretty much it. So going to put it to use and we're going to see how it works. And we're also going to plug in the Ethernet here and see if the actual HDMI works. So let's go ahead and do that and set it up our computer. I like that they give you a little traveling bag too. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so we have the drive here. We're going to test out a couple items. We're going to test out the HDMI, and then we're going to test out the actual circuit, all right, the RJ45 to see how well it works. Don't need to test anything else other than those two. So we do have our cable line here, and I do have an actual Surface machine that does not have a network cable at all. So we're going to go ahead and unplug the power. We're going to go ahead and plug this in on one side of the actual machine here, and it has the Ethernet ready, and it's going to pick up the actual port. So we're plugging it in now. It's plugged in, and we're going to see if the HDMI picks up. So we are going to plug it in from the side, and sometimes it takes a bit for the drivers to kick in, but you'll see it coming in through here, and it's plugged in directly to the actual monitor, and there it is. It's just picked up automatically. So the Ethernet, I'll bring in the actual system so you guys can see it. The Ethernet is picking up really good. It's actually there. Let's test out the speeds too now. Now, I'm not on wireless, so let's go ahead and test out the speeds and see how fast we're connecting. And if you just type in speed test, hit enter, it'll take you to a Google speed test, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring this screen down a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. And then hit the speed test. And right now we're going almost at 500, which is really good. 450, 460 megabytes per second by 261. Oh, now it's picking up even more. 478 by 450. It'll be that, So it's very good speeds. And this is on the Ethernet. It's not on the wireless. We connected pretty good. Simple, easy to use. You got other options. You can plug your keyboard, mouse, and set this up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.